guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to create the platformer game in Scratch. I'm going to publish this game by episodes. And this is our first episode of the game. We are going to create and upload all the characters in the game. Let's get started. Now let's upload some of the characters from the backpack. You may have seen this code and sprite from my previous video, but if you hadn't, check out my previous video from scratch. This will be our ground level. So we are going to build our ground level from these two blocks. This will also be coming in some of the cores. This coin will be my collectibles, which is when the player collects the coin. If this is the player's health bar, which is the black one, and if the health bar is empty like it shows in here, then the player is dead and the game is over. We're also going to be uploading some music, so let's upload our music from the backdrops. Now let's create one of our other characters which will be coming in the course. Now let's create our ground level. We're also going to upload one more sprite so that the player can go across the lava. Now let's upload our backdrop. I'm going to choose a plain blue sky. And also change it a bit. Now let's program our sprite, which is the player. Now let's test our sprite by seeing if the sprite falls into the ground or just stays stable. Now let's see if our sprite can move around. So now let's program our sprite or the player so that if it touches the spike, so then it will go back to the starting position. And we're also going to need the health bar to work. We're also going to do the same for the health plus one. So now let's test the program. As you can see, the program doesn't work because the health bar is going up and down. So now let's test our health bar. So if I touch any of the obstacles, then the heart will decrease. Like this. This is the end of the first episode. You will be seeing the next episode about Platformer Arctic Valley, which is the name of the game. If you want to learn more about programming and also science experiments, click the link above this video